channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. Yeah, so today I did a video where I did some turnarounds. Yeah, and people, most of my viewers were not too happy because not really that I was not too personal. Yeah, because they are my family, so they are not always angry with me. So, but they were not just cool with the fact that I didn't sing a song while teaching the progression. So I just did the progression without any song, so it looked blank. So today I want to do that again, but this time around with a song. So let's get to the keys and see what we have today. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so we're gonna use this song today. There's this song that goes anointing, follow me, anointing. So the progression I taught some days ago, I'm in the key of F. The progression I taught was 3, 6, 2, 4, 5, 3. So I said a turn around. So there are times where the singer is just singing anointing, follow me, anointing, one, follow me. So there are times where songs just go like that. So that's what I meant by turn around. So you play those chords. Follow me. Follow me. So, but you don't really do like this. You just do a 3, then 6, then 2, then 5, 4, 3, 6, 2. So that's it. So then sometimes it also comes in songs. Okay, let's look at it. For you are great, you do miracles. So 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So 3, 6, 2, 5. So that was 5, 1, 4. So, but what I'm just trying to prove is that sometimes also it comes 3. We have a 3, 6, 2, 5. We always have it in this popular progression we've been teaching on this channel for a while. 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So I'm going to put the link of the video where I actually taught the chords. You need to play this progression that I just demonstrated for you. So I'm going to put the link. Anointing, follow me. Alright, God bless you. Make sure you click the subscribe button for many more. God bless you. Bye.